Hello and welcome back to the Metasploitable tutorial. In this video we're going to talk about this service right here running on 5432. Go ahead and do some research on this one. See if you can figure anything out. Pause the video. Alright, welcome back. If you were able to figure out how to use this, then congratulations. If not, let me show you what I can do with this. So again, this one, if you did a little searching and you looked at the version of this, and just for reference again, we can look at the version by doing a version scan with nmap, like this. And we'll look at this specific port, 5432. And that'll take a little bit. If you look at the specific version of this service, right here, 8.3.0 to 8.3.7, you'll find that there aren't any exploits for it. But this service is actually misconfigured. So what we can do is we can, like some of the previous ones, we can find maybe some credentials that we can use to log in. So we're going to go ahead and use an auxiliary scanner. And Postgres login. That's what we're going to use. And we're going to go ahead and we'll leave the brute force speed because we're just going to try a couple things. This is similar to the other brute force scripts that we've used in the previous videos. So if you see here, we already have some Metasploit framework word lists, Postgres default passwords. We're going to also add, whoops, I am in the wrong terminal. Go over here. Username Postgres. We're also going to set user as pass false. Or no, hold on. No, we'll set that to true. And then we need to set our hosts to our Metasploitable virtual machine. And port is correct and all that. Okay, we can just run it then. We can see here we have a success right here. Postgres with password Postgres at template 1. And so this service has default credentials. Whenever you're setting up services, especially like web servers, that sort of thing, make sure that you change all the default usernames and passwords, because if you just leave them in there, then nothing is secure and people can get in this way. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.